How to add a domain to your WordPress site. Are you ready to elevate your WordPress site by adding a custom domain? This quick tutorial will guide you through the process step by step, ensuring that you can easily connect your domain to your WordPress site. So let's get started. We'll be using the simplest way on how to add a domain instead of using GoDaddy or Namecheap and all. Now we are in the dashboard, and this is how the dashboard look like. Once you're in the dashboard, you can see a list of options or menu on the left hand side over here. From the menu, go to upgrades, which is over here, and under upgrades, go to domains, tap on it. Now we are on the domain. Now you can see an option for add a domain over here on your top right corner. Tap on it. That will open up you this type of interface. Let's close it for now. Let's add a new domain. Let's give it Likey. So these are the available domain. Let's choose one of them. Let's choose this one. Tap on it. Then you will be taken to this type of interface where you will be asked to add your email address and password for the purchase purpose. However, as this is a demo video, I'm not going to purchase this one, but this is an overall idea on how to add a new domain to your WordPress site. And that's all for today's video. And if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.